Good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing today? In today's episode of the Experimental Gardener, we will be germinating some sweet cherries. Yes, delicious, guys. Just absolutely delicious. And I'm going to do it with the no cold stratification. That's right, you heard me. No cold stratification. Let's begin. These are the seeds that I ate the other night. Now I'm going to take one and go ahead and fold my towel over like this gently. Take my little things I have here and smash it. And look for the seed. Looks like I smashed the first one. This will happen, guys. It will. It just depends on the pressure that you actually use. There we go. There's one. Ta-da! It's really small, guys. Do you see that? Super small. Take it, put it in the water to hydrate it. Okay? After 24 hours, I'll come back and I'll take the brown coating off of these. That'll help with germination a lot faster. I'll do two more for you guys and I'll let you guys go on with your day. You heard that? That's what you want to hear. The crack. And look at that. There's another one. Okay. There's another one. All right. Dump it in the water. I've seen people use channel locks. I've seen people use pliers. I've seen people use needle nose necks. I'm not good with those tools whatsoever. Look at that one. That was easy, guys. That one sounded really easy. There's the seat. Two more. This is fun now. Once you get the hang of it, you'll like it as well. See? Crack faster. Use something bright so you can find the seed because it's brown. And of course, I can't see the seed. So, one more, guys. One more. I promise. One more. Ta-da. There you go. That's how you do it. Peace.